Okay. All right, so here we go. 9 more than t. How am I representing 9 more than t? Tell me. Yes, t plus 9. All right, not 9 plus t, t plus 9. All right, this is important for all word problems. You have to know how to write it. Now, does it really make a difference if you say t plus 9 or 9 plus t? Does the answer? No, because it's addition. Would it matter if it's subtraction? Yeah, it matters a lot. All right. So again, make sure you understand that you are starting at what? T. The variable doesn't always go first. We're not saying that. We're saying in this particular case, we're starting at t and we're adding 9. All right. So Sophia, let's just go around the room. Number 2, what do you think? You're excellent. Y minus 21. Beautiful. All right, Mikey. Yes. Now, in algebra, we don't use the division symbol anymore. I try to tell you we always use a what? Fraction bar. 4 divided by W. All right. These are the key words that you have to know to be successful. All right. Number 4. Go ahead, Wilson. We'll just go right around the room. Yes. So it's just negative 11h. Now, number 5 is not a typo. All right. It's trying to explain to you, if you ever have trouble in your brain, what is 2 less than 10? What does that answer? Uh-oh. If I'm 2 less than 10, I'm 8. Now, why am I trying to show you that? I'm trying to show you that so you will recognize when you write 2 less than 10, you don't write 2 minus 10. You write what? 10 minus 2. So, Evelyn, if I say 2 less than a number x, how do I write that? No, you didn't listen. Listen carefully. How do I write 2 less than 10? What is 2 less than 10? Yes. Now, in your brain, what I'm telling you is that you didn't do 2 minus 10. You did what? Yes, you did 10 minus 2. Now you understand me, right? So this more than and less than, all right, you're switching them. So instead of saying 2 minus x, you're going to tell me it is? Yes, ma'am. X minus 2. Now, again, guys, I can't tell you. That's just crucial. All right, I can't really help you with that. You're starting with x and you're subtracting 2. That's what we're doing. All right, Charlotte, you get number 6. 5x minus 5. That is correct. 5 is being subtracted from 5x. That is correct.
5 minus 5.
No, listen, Oliver, if you don't have this, I want you to rewrite it as this. All right? The number comes before the variable for multiplication traditionally. That's a good question, Oliver. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Quotient. You're right, guys. You're right. Quotient. She said 5x by accident. She's always right. That's why I just assumed she was right. It's what? It's 5 over x minus 5. That's what you said, right? I just wrote it differently. Yeah, that's right, Charlotte. Thank you. Sorry, that was good. Good catch, everybody. Thank you for being patient. 5 over x minus 5. Everybody's good with that? All right, number 7. You got the tough one.
10 parentheses R.
There you go. Thank you for remembering that. 10 parentheses, what?
R plus 6.
R plus 6. Beautiful. Now, how do we know parentheses? I told you last year, you know parentheses when there's 2 operations in a row. We're multiplying and we're adding. You can't do that simultaneously. So that's why you need the parentheses. All right, if you forgot that, make yourself a little note, please. All right, 2 operations in a row. Times and sum. All right, Mr. Cappy, tell me.
7 minus 3 times.
Yep, so how do I write that? 7 minus
3.
3g. Now, remember, in algebra, we don't have to say times g. We just say what? 3g. All right, now remember, speak up, please. All right, if you're not sure. All right, number 9. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Everybody's getting these right. Means you guys paid attention last year. Oh, except Charlotte. What, Charlotte? No. Generally, the number goes in front, but you're correct. Would it make a difference if I put the 3 in the front or the back? It doesn't make a difference, but it says 3 is in front. You with me? So we're making a literal translation. All right, here we go. Yes. Thank you very much for listening. 6p minus 5. Again, that less than. All right, very careful. All right, Ryan, number 11.
9 more than 3 times the number. 9 plus 3x.
Well, I see the more than,
3x plus
yes, 3x plus 9, but would I mark it wrong on the test? Probably.
9. Typically not.
Technically not, because 3x plus 9 is the same answer as 9 plus 3x, correct? But I want you to get in the habit of seeing more than or less than. All right, Mr. Oliver, come on, buddy. It's not wrong. I didn't say it was wrong.
Oh, okay. So for number 12, I got, so the difference between 3x minus 1.
Yes. But it's H. And again, it doesn't matter the letter. Yep, it's okay. All right. Come on, Mr. Hubbard.
7j.
Now, here, believe it or not, does it matter? No, but what is being increased? 8. So 8 is where we start. You with me?
Yeah.
But if it was 8 decreased, you'd be wrong. You with me on that? All right, now again, I'm just trying to tell you, I understand the trickiness of this. Okay, Max, let's hear you, buddy. Ooh, you got a hard one.
I don't really understand.
Does anybody know how to write consecutive numbers? What was it? Do you remember?
Would it just be 80?
Nope. So
They're right after each other.
yes. So two consecutive numbers would be 3 and 4, correct?
Yep.
Do we know what the first number is?
X plus 1.
So what is the first number?
X plus 1 plus 1.
Nope.
3.
Do I know what the first number is?
No.
No, so that's what? Variable. X. What's the second number, Oliver?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. That's what I want everybody to write down. The first number is X. The second number is X plus 1.
X plus parentheses X plus 1.
Yes, you can do that. But technically, I like what you said. Do I really need the parentheses though? No, but I want you to put it there. X represents the first number. X plus 1 represents the second number. All right, that was nice. Let's keep going now. All right. Read the first one, Aiden.
Rectangle has a width of 8 meters and length of X meters.
Then the rectangle has an area of what?
8x.
That is correct. 8x square units. How do you find area of a rectangle? Or length times width?
How do you know?
What do you mean? How do you know?
You don't know the other side. Oh.
All right, here we go. Holland. Remember how to find perimeter? Yes, add all the sides. So how many Y's would there be? You are amazing, girl. That's correct. 2y plus 10. Anybody have any problem with that? Anybody have a problem with that? You good? I'm pretty happy, right? If you're unsure, remember, just draw yourself a rectangle. Y, 5, and 5. Perimeter is just add them up.
Wow.
Y plus Y.
8 plus 2x.
Area, Oliver, difference, area and perimeter. Area and perimeter, got to read carefully. Okay, here we go. Who's up? Sophia. Read 17. J minus 10. Brilliant. J minus 10. Come on, try to put the answer down before she gives the answer. See how you're doing. All right, don't just write the answers. All right. Mikey, go. Yes, good thinking. All right, if you're not understanding the words, it's going to be hard for you to do word problems. Everybody okay with that being y plus 15? All right. Tell me.
I like it on R times 1.
Yes. Now, instead of saying r times 20, we can just say 20r. That's very good, by the way. All right. Did I call on you yet?
No.
Oh, you did then. All right, you're up on 20. Hold up. I skipped her for some crazy reason. Go.
BT. BT.
Yes, BT. That's exactly correct. BT. All right. I'm sorry. Evelyn, you're up. Ooh, these are kind of, I try to make these a little bit harder. Close. Now, here's what I want everybody to do. Listen to me. Let's give Catherine a height. Let's say she's 60 inches tall. Then how old is Hannah? Shh, shh. No one's. Miss Iverson. Catherine is 60 inches tall. How old would Hannah be? It says Catherine is 3 inches taller than Hannah. Okay, I'm sorry.
Then
Yeah. So now Catherine is K. So Hannah is what? How did you get from 60 to 57? Subtracted how many? Bless you. So it is K minus 3. Now, why does everybody miss that? Because it says 3 inches taller. You have to understand what person you're relating it to. All right. Now, Hannah is not H plus 3. Yes, that's how you want to think about it. Exactly right. So Charlotte, I'm going to let you read the second part of 21. Yes, go ahead, read it though for me. Yes, is H plus 3. All right. And again, I made several examples here. All right, I really want you to concentrate. These are the ones that are going to help you with the word problems. If you can do this, then you're set up good for word problems. All right, read the next one. Start us off.
There are 8 more boys than girls. The number of boys is 3, then there are blank girls. You'll be older.
I want you to tell me what the answer is.
All right. So would it be A plus B for the first part?
No, it's in relationship. If there are B boys and there's 8 more boys than girls, how many girls would there be in relationship to B?
Oh, G minus 8.
I don't want G involved. I want the letter B involved.
I don't know. B minus 8.
B minus 8. Is that making sense, people? Guys, does that make sense? Right? You have to know B stands for boys. All right. So if you wanted to, you could say the number of girls is B minus 8. All right, Mr. Cappy, read the second part.
Now who has
No.
Oh.
I want this one right here.
The number of girls is G, and they are G plus 8 boys.
Yes, G plus 8 boys. All right, that was hard. Okay, now 23. You got the really tricky one. All right, so everyone, I want everybody to read this, and I want everybody to write down what your thoughts are for a minute. I'm going to give you 1 minute and 30 seconds. Everybody try to write something down. All right, because I skipped Nora, I'm gonna let her explain this one. All right, what do I have to do?
Okay, I don't really know if this is right, but since the peach is X and the apple is X plus 30 and.
Hold on 1 second. What 3 fruits am I talking about?
And
Peaches, apples, and bananas. All right. Now, what did we say was X?
so X is peach,
X is the peach. So
and then the apple is X plus 30.
the apple is X plus 30, right?
And then the banana is X minus 18. I mean, yeah, wait, oh, I got wrong, sorry, wait, no. No. The apple has 18 fewer calories than a banana, so if the apple has 30 more calories than a peach, then it's going to have, then the banana has,
What would it be?
what less than the banana? The banana has 48 more calories than a peach, so it's X plus 48.
So she thinks it's X plus 48. I'm not saying that's right. I want someone else to help me if they think something different. Tell me. No. I just need this. This was the hard relationship.
So
What's the banana? So you think the banana is X minus 12? Anybody else have a thought? What did you think, Mikey? Just 48? Okay, I'm good with that. What do you think? One banana is 48. Anybody else? Tell them, Wilson.
Yeah, X plus 48.
One banana is X plus 48.
Okay.
That's what you think. Somebody else? Girl, Sophia, come on. Anybody wanna, and you can not know, that's okay. What is it?
So, X 18. Okay, so X plus 30 minus 18.
So what is that?
Bananas.
So you said X plus 30 minus 18?
Yeah.
Well, what's 30
So
minus?
X plus 12.
There you go, buddy. X plus 12. I'm not saying that's right. I'm saying that's a good thought process.
Then you just know it's X.
Yeah. So somebody said something smart here. So let's look, please, because this is hard. And I really want everyone in here to be smart enough to do this. So look up. It says an apple has 30 more calories than a peach. So the apple is X plus 30. Now, the way I read this is this. And an apple has what? 18 fewer calories than a banana. An apple has 18 fewer calories than a banana. Right? So if it has 18 fewer calories than a banana, does the banana have more or less than the apple? More. So it's whatever the apple is, what? Plus 18. So whoever said X plus 48, put a little pat on your back. All right. That's really, really hard and really good if you're able to think that through. So here we go. Would you agree that an apple, again, I appreciate you, Oliver. So here we go. Let's figure this out. I like to read it this way. An apple has 18 fewer calories than a banana. Does this apple have 18 fewer calories than that banana. That's the right answer then.
So it would be X minus 18.
No, Oliver. You just agreed with me. Now, come on, Oliver, listen to me. You just agreed to me that the banana has 18 more than the apple. Do you agree with that? Right? So instead of saying an apple has 18 fewer, say the banana has 18 more.
Oh.
Makes sense now, right? Sometimes you have to go in reverse order.
Instead of apple has
18 less, you can say the banana has 18 more. Agreed? That was hard. All right, now I need the fruit basket. Go ahead. I'll let you finish it now, Nora.
I'm not sure if this is right, but I did, 4x plus 9, parentheses x plus 30, parentheses plus 3, parentheses x minus 48.
X plus 48 though, right?
Yeah, but like, yeah, that's right.
Well, that's what I wrote down, so you know it's right.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
So
All right, so that would be the basket right there. That's what I want you to write down.
4x from.
Did you read it, Oliver?
I'm looking at.
How many peaches? Right?
Can you simplify that?
I don't want you to simplify it. That's how I want you to leave it, just like that. Okay, so Miss Iverson, I think you're up, right? Is that right, Wilson? Who did 22? G plus 8. Who's up? Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll let you go. 24. Yes, how many minutes are there in 5 hours? That's exactly correct. So how many minutes are there in H hours? Well, that's for 5 hours. So how many are there in H hours? Yes, so we would say 60H. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're doing great. Okay, what? Yeah, tell me.
Yeah.
How many minutes? So if I said, that's why the point of this up here, if there's 5 hours, 60 minutes in 1 hour, right?
Well, I get like, no.
I know, but it's the same problem. Doesn't matter how many hours you have. You always
Yeah.
see what I'm saying, right? Good question. All right, let's look at 25. Mackenzie, go ahead. I don't know if this is right or not. Just tell me. How many days are in 6 weeks? No, I'm just asking you, how many days are in a week? So if you have 6 weeks, there are what? That's all. Right? What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you, if you're not sure about something, make your own problem with the number in it. So if you have W weeks, what do I do to figure out how many days? That's it. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. All right, that's a critical lesson. All right, if you're not sure using variables, put numbers in and you can see it much easier. All right, so for you, Ryan, how many minutes are in 240 seconds? What do I do?
So you see, because the minute is a smaller unit, you divide S by so you divide 240 by 60.
240 divided by 60.
Which equals 4 minutes.
So if you have S seconds, how many minutes?
S divided by 60.
S divided by 60. Beautiful. All right. Now, what I want to do is I want everybody in here to circle 27, 28, 29. All right, I want you to try those for homework.
26.
We just did it, Oliver.
It would be X over 60.
S over 60, yes. All right, so here we go. We're doing some mental math now. Oliver, you're on number 30. All right. Oliver, I'm doing number 30.
42.
42, perfect. Austin. 14, thank you, sir. Very nice. Max. Take your time.
Yeah, 65.
You're amazing. 65.
Just to clarify.
Hold on a minute. 33. I'm not clarifying. I want you to tell me what you think the answer is. I don't think so. What's 3 to the 0? 1, right?
Oh, okay, so I wasn't sure there was three of them.
It's okay.
Oh, then the answer is 36.
Because 3 squared is,
Oh, my God, I'm so sorry. The
Don't be
answer
sorry.
is actually 18.
yes, it is 18. Is everybody okay with that big 18? And again, I'm expecting you to make little mistakes. So if you don't know it's 18, just let me know. What, Oliver?
Oh,
Oliver, what?
It's 9, but then 3 to the 0. It would
7 minus 1, 12 minus 9. All right. Aiden, what do I have to do first?
Oh, the 12 minus 9.
Which is
3.
3. Now what's 2/3 times 3? Shh. Everybody should be mental math. What happens to this 3 and this 3? You with me now, right? Remember that? So now I have 13/4 minus 2. 2 is how many fourths?
4.
So the numerator would be
Numerator would be 8,
good.
and then that would be 5.
There you go, 5/4. All right, come on, people. We got to know this now. Yes, this is how you write it. No mixed numbers, improper fractions. That's how you write it in algebra. What, Oliver?
where we got that 4 from.
Common denominator. When you add and subtract fractions, you need a common denominator.
So, wait, so the 12 minus the 9 is a 3. But then you have to do 2/3 times 3. So you have 2 times 3?
What's 2/3 of 3? I'm just showing you, Oliver.
2.
Right, those cancel.
So I'm still confused on how you would do this.
13/4 minus 2. 13/4 minus 2 over 1. You need a common denominator, Oliver. What's the common denominator? Good. So I multiply 2 times 4. What do I get? Okay. Next. Who's up? Aiden, is it your turn?
No.
Okay.
And when you have to do 5.
What is times 3? No, Oliver, I can't do this year. I can't. No, oh, you already did times 3, Oliver. The question now is 13/4 minus 2. That's the question. Here we go. Miss Elliott, you're up. What's 4 cubed? 64. What's 3 squared? 5 to the 0. 1 to the 8th. Uh-oh. 1 to the 8th is what? 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1. All right, guys. You got to finish this up. Finish it up for homework. That's it. Homework. All of them. The whole worksheet is homework. Every single bit of it should be done.